Hello friends, hope you are fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1 page number 40 and today's topic is prepositions. You have got it first time preposition in your age. You will get it later several times and you will find its uses. Now first time you can keep remember the preposition actually a word which governing and usually preceding a noun or pronoun and expressing a relation to another word or element in a sentence. Okay, here see here we have got many prepositions. These are prepositions like of, before, behind, in, across, on, under, over, into, near. We have to put these prepositions in these blanks. Here the question is written, use the words in the list above to fill the spaces in the sentences below. Means here you have to put the preposition which is appropriate. Here it's written Humpty fell dash the wall. Humpty fell, we can use here what? We can use here of. This one we can put here of. Why we're putting of? The preposition of actually shows moving away and often down from. See here it is telling Humpty fell from which place? From the wall. So it's moving from this place. So that's why you have used here of. Next one, the man dived the pool. What can I put from this place? We can put here into. Here we will put into. Why? Because we use into expressing movement or action with the result that someone or something becomes enclosed or surrounded by something else. Here see the man typed where? Into or enclosing into the pool. Okay, and this is an action still now going on. Next one, the horse jumped dash the fence. What we can put here? We can put here over. First, let me put over. The horse jumped over the fence. We use this preposition to make understand the people about movement or position at a higher level than something else. So here see horse jumped where? From the fence means the higher level of the fence. That's why we have used here over. Next one, see phone number. The dog is dash the table. What we can write now? The dog actually, see here it is we can see this is the table and under it the dog. So from this place we can take this under and here we can put under. We use under as a preposition to make the similar of below, or we can tell we use under to talk about something that is below or lower than something else. So here the dog is below of what? Below of the table. Next one, the cockerel is walking dash the road. What can we put here? See here, see the road. He is actually crossing the road. So we can use in this place what we can use? See, across. So let's put first time here across. Across means on the other side of something or from one side to the other of something which has sides or limits such as a city, road or river. Here we have found a road. The cockerel is walking from one place to another place. That's why we have used here across. Now next one, 6 number, there is an apple dash the plate. So easy. We will put here what? I know that is, but after that I'm showing you. This one will be put here because it is above of the plate. So that's why we have used here on. So we can tell we use on when we refer to a position on a surface. Like here, we are getting the apple surface of the what? Surface of the plate. Now, next one, 7 number. See, there are flowers dash the vase. What can we put here? 7 number, we can put there are flowers. There are flowers we can put here in. Okay, so we'll put here in, and later I'm telling in which places we can put in as a preposition. 7 number, there are flowers in the vase. Here we have used in. Why we have used in? Because in is used for showing where someone or something is. Here we are getting the flowers where? In the vase. So that's why here in. Next one, there is a guard dash the fire. So which one can be put here? We can put here, see, here we can put before. So let's put it here. There is a guard before the fire. Before the fire. 9 number, James is standing dash the table. This is so easy. Here we are getting James near the table. Let's see what is written here. There, yes, we have got this word near. We'll put in this place the preposition near, and I think you have understood when we use the preposition near in a sentence. The preposition near means not far away in distance. So we have found the boy where, or boy or James just near the table. So today's last one, here is written John is hiding dash the armchair. So there is one is left only, that is what? That is behind. So we'll put it here behind. Let's put behind the armchair, and let's see when we use behind. We use the word behind at or towards the back of somebody or something, and often hidden by it or them. So I think you have understood this thing, the topic is prepositions, and we have done page number 40. Next day we will do page number 41, and there we'll find a comprehension. We'll do it later. For today, bye.